Wow, look at this amazing beach, Spiaggia de Campulongu in Villasimius, Sardinia. It looks absolutely stunning with sand dunes right on the beach that are obviously protected and lots of wind this afternoon, 22nd of October 2025, 5:30 p.m. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from Sardinia. And now we are entering the golden hour, as it is 1 hour until the sunset. And this is a nice beach to catch a beautiful sunset. Just look at the waves and how big this actually long this beach is, and with all the greenery around, it looks so stunning. There is even sunbeds on parts of the beach, and I went into the beach from coming down along the coast from Spiaggia del Ediso, which wasn't such a magnificent beach like this one. So this one is definitely perfect. We have huge and dark clouds over there, but here we have a beautiful sunset we're gonna have. That's simply amazing. And today I'm exploring the wonderful beaches of it in the around the city of Villasimius, and it was definitely worth it to take 1.5 hour bus ride one way, so 3 hours total of travel time today to this beautiful paradise. I'm so happy right now, and let's hit the waters and dance with the waves. So far I haven't been swimming in the waves here in Sardinia, so it's time for that finally. Let's enjoy as we entered the beautiful golden hour. Look at this. This is stunning. It looks so much better with sun, for sure. Beautiful. And I have now only 1 hour and 20 minutes left until my bus to Cagliari. There will be even one later, but it's gonna be dark anyway, so I'm planning to take that one at 7, and there is the last one at 8. Let's then enjoy this wonderful afternoon or evening soon from the island of Sardinia. Look at the waves. This is magnificent. So many beautiful beaches on this part of the island, opposed to those in Cagliari, which are very basic, if you ask me. And perfect sunset today also as well. We're gonna have. Alright, so Chris is happy and now it's time to dance a bit with the waves here in Sardinia at this wonderful sea and this wonderful view that I have. It's perfect. Alright, so ready, set, and go! I love it. I'm so happy right now. at that. Spiaggia di Campulongu, or in translation, Campulongu Beach. It's magnificent indeed. What a perfect way to end this wonderful day of beach exploring, or beach adventures actually, in Sardinia. Alright, so now it's time for me to enjoy and swim here and dance with the waves. So, greetings from Villasimius from Campulongu Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!